Now here is a problem. We want to find the current flowing through 5 ohm resistance. Here is a 9 volt battery and here 12 volt battery, 10 ohm resistance, 5 ohm resistance, 2 ohm resistance, 8 ohm resistance, 7 ohm resistance. We have to find the current flowing through 5 ohm resistance. First of all, let's clear our concept about mesh and loop. What is a mesh and what is a loop? A closed path in a circuit, a closed path in a circuit is called as loop. Closed path in a circuit is called as loop. And the smallest loop is called as mesh. The smallest loop is called as mesh. So here is a one closed path. This is mesh 1. I say current I1 is flowing through this mesh 1. Here is a closed path. I2 is flowing through the I2 is produced by this battery and it is flowing through this mesh 2. Now we have to find the current flowing through 5 ohm resistance. For that, we should know how to apply KVL. त्यासाठी KVL एकदम सोप्या पद्धतीने समजून घ्यायचं आहे आपल्याला. काय आहे KVL, कसं अप्लाय करायचं, आपल्या मनावर करंटची डायरेक्शन द्यायची, आपल्या मनावर. इथं आपण बाप नो प्रॉब्लेम. मी माझ्या मर्जीनं I1 ची डायरेक्शन दिली, 9 वोल्टची बॅटरी आहे. जनरली एक रूल आहे, बेसिक रूल फॉलो करायचा. पॉझिटिव्ह प्लेट करून निगेटिव्ह प्लेटकडे करंट फ्लो होते, तो मी रूल फॉलो केला. इकडे पण तसंच रूल जनरल फॉलो केला, पॉझिटिव्ह प्लेट करून निगेटिव्ह प्लेटकडे. नाव आता जर आपण इफ वी आर ट्रेसिंग द mesh with the direction of I1, here is I1, it is also flowing and we have given the direction of I1 and we are now tracing the circuit ट्रेस करावंच लागतं आणि एक I1 ची डायरेक्शन द्यावी लागते. आणि जर दोन्ही डायरेक्शन सारखी असेल आपल्या ट्रेसिंग म्हणजे चालणे सर्किट, आणि I1 ची पण डायरेक्शन सेम आहे दोघांची, तर there will be voltage drop across resistance and it is taken as minus, and there will be voltage gain at battery side if there is a one battery. Look at this here. For mesh 1, we are tracing with the direction of I1. I1 is also decided by us. So one formula, that is the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I am tracing from here this point. I got 10 ohm resistance, let's say. So voltage drop at 10 ohm resistance is equal to minus 10 I1. Then I got 5 ohm resistance. Here 5 ohm resistance, the both current I1 and I2 is flowing through this branch. So I write here as minus 5. We are tracing with the I1. So I1 is of our choice and we are सगळं काही त्याच्या सोबतच आपण करत आहोत. सो आय विल राईट I1 plus I2, then minus 7 I1, then there will be voltage gain plus 9 is equal to 0. So minus 10 I1 minus 5 I1 minus 5 I2 minus 7 I1 plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 10 minus 5 minus 5 minus 7. So I1 terms minus 10 I1 minus 5 I1 minus 7 I1, 15 plus 7, then minus 22 I1 minus 5 I2 plus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 22 I1 minus 5 I2 plus 9 is equal to 0. So 9 is equal to 22 I1 plus 5 I2. So this is equation number first. Now we will find equation number second for this mesh 2. For mesh second. Now we have decided the direction of I2 as like this for positive place to negative plate, and we are also tracing the circuit in the same direction of I2. So from here I am tracing the circuit. Minus 2 I2 minus 2 I2 minus 5 I2 and I1 are additive in nature. Minus 8 I2 and there is a voltage gain plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 2 I2 minus 5 I2 minus 8 I2 is equal to minus 5 I1 minus 15 I2 is equal to minus 12. So 12 is equal to 5 I1 plus 15 I2. If we solve these two equations, we will get values of I1 and I2. So the current flowing through 5 ohm resistance is nothing but the summation of I1 plus I2. Thank you. For calculation, I have used a calculator and I get these values. I1 is equal to 0.245 ampere, I2 is equal to 0.718 ampere. The current flowing through 5 ohm resistor is nothing but the I1 plus I2. So I1 plus I2 is equal to 0.963 ampere. How can I decided that these values? So here, look in this calculator, go to the mode, then go to the EQN equation 5, then choose the type of equation we have. ANX plus BNY is equal to CN 1. Then write down the values. For first equation it is 22 5 and the third term is 9. 5 I1 term, then coefficient of I2 is 15, and then term C, that is 12. Then click on is equal to, we get X, that's mean I1 value. So it is 0.245 and I2 0.718. And if you carry out the sum of I1 plus I2, then you will get this answer. Thank you.